Hello and welcome. This is just a video to show you guys the offspring of that Bonsmara bull for us with different types of cows. Here you can see a Bonsmara cow with a young calf. Pink tags is for the females, blue tags is for the bulls. This season we had like 80% females, 20% bulls. There you can see a Beefmaster cow. There you can see one of our Beefmaster cows, but that one is not a baby of our bull. We bought her pregnant from a auction. But as you can see, it's a nice calf. Here's one of our calves, the Bonsmara bulls, one of his babies with a Simbra cow. And as you can see, he has great build. You can see he's short on the legs. He's muscled, but he still has that white stripe across the face from his Simbra mom. Here's another Bonsmara of ours. As you can see, that bull is nice. As you can see, all of his calves are nice. We don't have one ugly one. All of them are built like bricks. As you can see, this is another female. And there you can see another calf. You can see it's beautiful. Also a female. You can see they have nice build. No, the horns, we put the butt off, so they hopefully won't get the horns in the future. This is one of my own personal cows. As you can see, this one is a crossbreed between a Limousine and a Chianina. And there you can see that big female. She's almost 3 months old. She's the offspring of the Bonsmara bull and the Chianina cross. You can see that big Bonsmara female was born on the same day as her. You can see the same height. But as you can see, the Chianina and Limousine genes showed a little bit of face. As you can see, she's all quarters of her is nice, thin, thick head, nice muscles. Also, she's a female.